Delightfully GG. Hey, y'all, it's your girl Gigi Jones, and today I am coming to you with another great raw vegan recipe. This is so delicious. It is the raw vegan broccoli salad with blueberries. And honey, let me tell you, it did not disappoint at all in no way, form, or fashion. So I want you to go ahead and stay tuned as I get into how to make this wonderful recipe.
All right, for the dressing, you will need maple syrup, raw cashews, apple cider vinegar, sea salt. I have Himalayan pink salt, but because I did not have any sea salt at the time. So you also will need pepper, filtered water, garlic clove. Okay, you will take your 3/4 cups of raw cashews, put it in the blender along with a 1/4 cup of filtered water. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of grade A maple syrup, 1 garlic clove. You should mince it. I didn't. I just threw it in there though. You're going to need to go ahead and add your 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and your black pepper to taste. And I'm using fresh ground black pepper. And then you're going to go ahead and blend it until it is nice and creamy. Nice smooth consistency. For the salad, you're going to need a cup of blueberries, a 1/2 cup of red onions diced, 4 cups of broccoli florets finely chopped, 1/3 cup of dried cranberries with no sulfur or added sugars, and 3/4 cups of diced apples. Now we're going to add all the ingredients of the salad and just mix it together. I had to cut the broccoli up a little finer, break it into finer pieces. Now if it was my mama, honey, it would have been so fine. Like all you get is the broccoli. Yes, so I'm taking the time here to go ahead and break it up a little more. You're going to add your blueberries, your onions, apples, your cranberries, and you're going to blend it all together nice and well, mix it together. I did not have the cranberries that were sulfur free or unsweetened. I had already gotten in preparation for the raw vegan diet before reading the instructions. I had went to Costco and I purchased a humongous bag of the cranberries. So as you can see, I've already poured the dressing over the salad and just toss well. Make sure all of your ingredients are coated well with this dressing. And guys, oh my gosh, I think out of all of the recipes that I prepared, this was one of my favorites other than this vanilla date smoothie. Oh yes, because I've made this one several times since I've been off the cleanse, and it tastes great. It tastes absolutely great.
Aha! So how did y'all like that? Wasn't it simple? I'm going to taste it so y'all can know what I'm talking about here. Now, I will say, when I made this recipe, oh, yeah, that's good. It's good. I only did half of the salad part, and I saved some of the dressing. That was that blueberry. Y'all, this is good. I saved half of the dressing so I can put it in on the next time that I make it, because I only had enough broccoli for half a recipe. I would say that you should try this. This is a good meal. This is very good. So my husband and I are doing the Herbs Full Body Cleanse Challenge, and this was one of the recipes that I decided to make from their website, and I am in no way sponsored by them or anything like that. If you decide to do a full vegan diet or challenge or lifestyle, even if you just want to do it for 10 days, 20 days, a month, whatever the case is, there are so many resources out there, and you can go to their website and you can definitely do it, and they have great recipes on there. So don't think that you just have to eat salads or carrot sticks or broccoli, cauliflower, celery sticks. There is like a whole plethora of ideas and things that you can do for a raw vegan diet. I'm having a great time exploring all of these different culinary but my taste buds are like screaming and hollering and saying, yay, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been a great experience, like trying these different recipes. You know, I'm expanding my culinary repertoire, as you could say, and I just love it. I'm loving it. Yes, I am missing my seafood. I can't help it. I love seafood. I love crabs and lobster and shrimp and fried foods. But this is just 20 days out of my life. I'm 50, almost 51. I've eaten good many years, and I'm still eating good. I'm just eating differently. So hey, all right, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, please make sure you click the little like button. Someone you know doing raw vegan or thinking about and you need recipes, share, also comment. All right, comment if you've had this before, if you're doing a body cleanse, you are gonna make this, hey, let me know, comment below. All right, my lovely friends, beautiful people, you all have a wonderfully blessed day. Love you, and bye-bye.